Hi everyone, we're here at BrickFair trolling David. We're working on it. We got Graham. He's going to be doing some photoshopping here in a second after he puts away his porn. And down here we have the message to David. You can pause the video and read it if you want. Basically, it's trying to sell this figure to him, and here's the picture that we're going to be using with it to help sell the figure. Using Elite Speak. So yeah.
Where do you buy those from?
I got it pretty good.
Okay.
Printing.
You like a hollow square.
So bad.
Made this. I mean, it's not Ross. Graham made this.
No, I didn't.
He is directly responsible for everything and anything related to this event that is about to happen.
This is a blatant lie.
Please make all complaints, concerns, and quibbles to Graham's channel with the link in the description below.
This is blatant.
Thank
blatant
you.
Lying.
Have a nice day.
Blatant lying.
Okay, so we're going to troll David. Hold it down like no. We're going to like meet him up. Got business on the team for you.
Why is it you're gonna wait till tomorrow to get it?
I like this. This is cool.
Have a business opportunity.
What?
You a letter. You have to read it.
Why is it like coffee? Like it got
Oh, don't worry about that.
Dear David Hall, my name is Patrick
Celester.
Celester. Tell him I said that. Creator of minifigs for me. Got
Should find something. That's a period, actually.
I'm here today with a great business opportunity. My fig. Okay, who made this?
What are you talking about?
Who made
There's a business opportunity.
Seriously, who made this?
10 out of 10 shits now.
Retail 45. The hand that's kind of funny. Who came up with this?
According to Ryan, it was all me. So take that as you will.
Interested, call me.
It's definitely not my handwriting.
Yeah, I don't write like a and you think about me when lonely at night. Nah, I think about my girlfriend, bro. Sorry, you don't put me to sleep. My
No, that's the words of Lego Bob himself.
It's Lego Bob. Lego Bob 35. Isn't that?
Yes, you can make more. I have
Hey guys, it's Brick's Customs. I'm recording
this
Ryan.
and make a bunch of like 8 on one page and just pass out a bunch of those.
Can we collect some phones and maybe?
Growing, this is my building I did.
My best friend.
Yeah.
You murderer!
I don't think I can put it
I can go behind.
Do you want to look and see
No, he hasn't seen him yet. That's the best part. When he looks up, he'll see him. Alright, he's gonna look up right now then. What? Back up. Move to the left, quick. He can't see it. If he sees us, it's ruined. Come on, look up, faggot. Now he walked over there. Walk by him and say him, stay in there, champ. Just tell him to stay in there. Guys. Oh, he just looked up and pointed when he was talking to that guy. Pat him. Stand back. If they see us, they're gonna suspect it. Just walk around behind. Over here, right here. What's... I want $15 for the antenna, that's not bad. The whole antenna. Where'd the horse go?
Where'd he go? He's over there now. Come on, he's gotta see him. He has to have seen it. Bounce house. Okay guys, so we're going out to the, that's cool, to the, out to see the public line. They're letting the ticket holders in, I think, so that's a thing. They've let them in early, but I think that the people on the left still haven't been allowed in, so that'll be cool to see. We're gonna go walk down that line, just see how long it is this year. Usually it wraps around the building, but we're gonna find out. So, got the new Commander Pimp Daddy. Holy crap, long line, like usual. The weather has turned out nice, so I'm just gonna go ahead and fast
Dude, I wish it
forward.
would have rained today. Just like, what?
You pick one, and you pass it down the line.
Alright.
And the brick badge does count as one.
Okay. That's a lot to choose from.
It's like push a floor. Oh! Oh! Racism wins! Racism wins!
Do you think about me when lonely at night? Do you think about me when lonely at night?